Friends, welcome back in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka. Hope you all are doing great. Before I start the video, you all have to like the video and make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new video. Student, if you are having any query, you can write in comment box. I will reply shortly. Thanks for your lovely comments. Let's start today's video. Student, in this tutorial, we are going to start the new chapter number 6, Formatting in Excel. As you know, in the last chapter, we have discussed about that how we can use the different features in MS Excel. Okay, and today we are going to study that how we can format the number, how we can apply the merging of cells and many more. So let's start today's video. First of all, we are going to discuss that what are the objectives of this chapter. Okay. So in this, the first point is formatting the number and text. Second one, exploring the alignment options. Alignment, you know, when we make the text in a center, left or right. So this is called the alignment. Already you have done in the previous classes. Merging the cell. This concept also we will study in this chapter. Then wrap text. Okay. After that, text orientation. Student, in wrap text, we just hide the, you can say ki within the cell only we make the text fit. We wrap the text within the cell only. Clear? Like in merging cell, we merge the cells. We combine the cell contents. And in wrap text, you can take example like sometime the text in the cell may be too wide to be fit. Okay. So by using the wrap text, we make it to be fit in the particular cell. Orientation, the next one, text orientation means the way or the direction in which the text is placed inside the cell. This is called the orientation. Modifying row height and column width. Obviously the row height we will change and column width we will change, so that also you will come to know. First of all, we are going to discuss formatting the numbers. Student, always keep in mind that the cell can hold different type of data like numbers, currency, dates, etc. Okay, many more are there in MS Excel. If you want to format the cells, what you have to do, first of all, click on number group in the home tab. Always remember, you have to go to home tab and click there on number group. Then the options will come. When it will come, then choose the different formats from the type box drop down list. In the type box, different formats will appear in the screen. Okay, on the screen, and you can select like general, text, currency, etc. Students, through this diagram, it is clear to you. Like you can see, when you can see home tab is there. When you will click there, when you will click on the number group, so this type of window will open. You can see 1, 2, 3, 12, currency, accounting, that side, general, number, currency, accounting, short date. These type of data is there, and you can see on the very right side, it is coming in the broad way. General, number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, etc. Many more are there. When you will scroll it down, then other options will also appear. Okay, student. Here you can see the in the first cell, the number format type is given. B column, you can see unformatted data. Like simply you have written one number, and the C column, the formatted number is appearing. Okay. So in general, first of all, I'm going to discuss one by one all type of formatting. First one is general. This is the default cell format of a cell. It means if you will not apply any type of formatting, so Excel will take it as a default setting, general. Okay. And the second one is number. So whatever number you will write, it will only put one dot and make 00. Okay, like 0.20. You can set the number of digit to be displayed after the decimal 2 using the increase decrease decimal buttons. Then third one is currency. Beta, in currency, this displays cell data as currency, that is with currency sign. Click on the dollar sign to get the list of available currency symbol. Other also available there. After that, you can see accounting is there. Similar to currency, used for accounting purpose, this displays cell data as number with a separator. Another one is your date. Okay, in date also you can see short date is there and long date is there. Like in first one, unformatted data 4365 6, like this is written. So this is the unformatted data. Anyway we can give. But if we have to give the proper formatting, so we have to give like this, like 10, say 7, 2009. 10 is date, 7 is month, and 2019 is the year. In long time, it will take the day also. And in place of writing the month name in number, it will display in the alphabetical way. Like Wednesday, July 10, 2019. Then time, various time formats are available under this, so you can select anyone. Like here 10:55, it can come with the PM AM also. Okay, percentage, this displays cell data as percentage with decimal place like 25%. Okay, or whatever data you have written, it will format it, it will put 1% size percent sign after the decimal. Okay, then fraction, it will display in the fraction form. Like if you will write 0.5, so in fraction it will display 1 by 2. Clear? Like 1 by 3, 1 by 2, etc. Now scientific, you have written one data and it will show in the scientific way. This displays cell data in an exponential form, like 5.6 e plus 0.1. Okay, or 1.23 e plus 0.5, like this. Now text will display a cell data as a normal text. It can include both digits and letters also. Okay, but in text data we never use it for the calculation purpose. Special is also there and custom is also there. This has a special format of cell like zip code, phone number, etc. And in custom you can use customize the cell using the custom format. So hope student you understood this. In next video I will try to explain it in a more proper way and some more features of Excel also. Clear? So till then, take care. Goodbye.